So students, oxidative phosphorylation is the last step in cellular respiration. What is oxidative phosphorylation? Synthesis of ATP, energy-rich ATP molecules. How? With the help of energy liberated during oxidation of what? NADH and FADH2. So it is the synthesis of energy rich ATP with help of energy liberated during oxidation of reduce coenzymes. What is that? Obviously NADH we have studied, NADH and FADH2. And which enzymes required? Enzyme required is ATP synthase. It is considered to be a fifth complex and it is located where? It is located in F1. F1 में पाया जाता है ये. Head piece of F0, F1 or you can say elementary particles. Okay, now let's start. And remember one thing. Pair of proton gives 1 ATP. Pair of proton 1 ATP देते हैं. Now consider the diagram. Let's draw. We have taken only crista. Okay. This is F0. This is F1. And it is outer compartment. Inner membrane, this you know. Obviously this is crista. Now let's draw. This is inner membrane. We have studied this that here will be electron will be moving here. Here it is electron moving here. Now it will launch. Electrons are moving here. Now it will pump pair of proton. So in outer compartment higher concentration, higher concentration of H plus proton will be here. Okay, ठीक है. And what happened when electron moves to, students, remember one thing, that in this case what happened when the proton tends to back go here matrix जहाँ low concentration है, what happened, जब ये चीज़ यहाँ proton यहाँ जाएगा, the energy is, this wavy line is indicating the energy. So when it will go here, what happen, energy is released. Okay, energy is released, and F1 is having enzymes ATPase. So with the help of enzyme ATPase and energy release, जब प्रोटॉन यहाँ से यहाँ जा रहा है, एनर्जी रिलीज हो रहा है, ठीक है. और ATPase, इसके पास ATPase भी है, तो वो एनर्जी जो है हेल्प करेगी ATP और फॉस्फेट आयन को कंबाइन करके ATP को रिलीज करेगी. बस ओनली दिस यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. ओके, आई थिंक इन स्टार्टिंग आई हैव सेड इलेक्ट्रॉन मूव्स है ना, इट्स प्रोटॉन यहाँ से यहाँ मूव करता है, तब एनर्जी रिलीज होती है, एंड दैट एनर्जी इज यूज इन कंबाइनिंग दीज टू, and ATP is formed with the help of enzyme ATPase. So that's it.